Hello viewers across the globe, welcome to InfoDem. I want to quickly show you how to farm Iceberg. How to farm Iceberg is another new project that you will not want to miss. So the first thing you need to do is, if you don't have Telegram, please download your Telegram, do the registration. So the next thing you want to do is to go to the description box of this video. You will see the link there. Just click the link, then it will take you to your Telegram where you can continue the process. Like what you are saying now, it will take you to this place. That is what you need to do. Once you click the link, it will take you to Telegram. Then you click start. Once you click start, it will take you to this place. So the next thing you want to do from here, as you can see from here, you see play, you see join community, you see join community RU. So all you need to do, just start from the bottom here, join community RU. So as you can see, all you need to do is to click join. You click join. If you have done that, you go back, you come to this arrow that is up here page. Then the next thing you do is to click join community. The next thing you will want to do from this point again is to click play. When you click play, it will open the bot, the farming bot. As you can see, hi a borrower, you start farming. What do you need to do here? You click start farming. That is it. So that means every 6 hours you come here to farm. You come to this place and press farm. So let us go to tax 50. So what do we do now? Let us take it one after the other. Let me perform the tax on X. So you click perform. If you have done that, the next thing you want to do, my X is opening. In case you are watching InfoDem for the first time, I will encourage you to subscribe to InfoDem, share this video, like this video, and also hit the bell there so that you can be notified whenever new video of this type of project is uploaded. So the next thing you want to do, as you can see, the X open. The next thing you want to do here is to follow. As you can see, 2 million Iceberg pound. For just telling your friend about it, you can share 2 million points among yourself. Isn't cool? Let's take action. Join us if you are still on a award point to 100 random people. So as you can see, that is all you need to do. You follow. Now I'm following. Then as you can see, I've been asked to collect my 150 here. So all I need to do is to click collect. I'll click it. So I'll come back to how to invite friends. Let's go to how to subscribe to Webcast. Once it opens this way, the next thing you want to do, get this point, you want to get 1000 Iceberg, you download Webcast, then you join from there, you click perform, you have your Discord, you join from there, you get your 200. Right now, let me go and join the YouTube. Let me subscribe to the YouTube. As you can see, this is YouTube. All you need to do is to just click subscribe. Once that is done, as you can see, my 200 Iceberg is ready for collection. Then I'll just click collect. It's very easy. The next thing you want to do from here is to go to subscribe to Instagram, Iceberg Instagram. So I click perform. again. I'll be moved to Instagram again. Then all you need to do from here is to click follow. Once you follow, so as you can see, my 200 is ready for collection also. Then I collect it. So that is how to complete the tasks one after the other. So the next step I want to teach you now is how to invite friends. You know, when you invite 15 friends, you have 2,000, 10, you have 1,500, and so on. So, how to invite friends? What you need to do is to come down here. You will see where invite is at the right bottom here. You click invite. When you click invite, to take you to this place, you will see invite friend here. You just click invite friend. Then it will generate an invitation link for you that you can use to invite friends. So that is how to go about Iceberg farming on Telegram. So I want to enjoy you to subscribe to InfoDem, share this video so that other people can benefit, and also don't forget to like this video, hit the like button there, make sure you bang the bell so that my subsequent video you will not miss out in my subsequent video. So till I see you in my next video, I say be good.